Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the TicPods free true wireless earphones which are from the company Mobvoi. These come in three colors: navy, lava and ice. And as you can see, we have the red color variant here, which is lava. So now let's look at the box. So on the back you can see a bunch of information about the earphones themselves. They have in-ear detection, they have touch controls, they have voice assistant support, ambient noise cancellation. They also have noise isolation, which is what you get from the ear tips fitting securely inside your ear. They have an 18-hour battery life, a total of 18 hours along with the charging case. They have fast charging and you can also call with these earphones. So let's first open these up. So right away in the packaging you can see that we have the case front and center. It's red, so let's set this aside for a moment. Here you can see we have a strap which you can attach to the case itself. It's a red color strap to match with the case. Inside within the packaging, so here inside the packaging you can see we have some silica gel. We also have the charging cable, which is a Type-C and a micro USB charging cable. So you can pick and choose and you can either plug it in this way or the other way. Also you have a bunch of extra silicone earbuds inside, if I can get these out. Yes, actually you don't have a bunch, you just have one extra pair along with the ones that come with the earphones. Let's look at the charging case a bit more closely. So I'm going to unravel this and here we have it. So you see a Type A USB connector on one end which you can put into a power brick or into your PC, and it is a splitter wire, so you have two different ones. You have a Type-C and a micro USB. So it's great that they have given us that option. Also inside here you find the user manual. You have all the controls and how to connect and everything here. And there's also a safety and precaution guide. So let's set this aside. So we have the contents of the box right here. We're going to set all of them aside for now except for this one. So this is the strap which you get, and you simply need to insert it in here and then take it out of the other end, if we can manage that. It's a little tricky, but yeah, it's starting to come out of the other end. And then you simply just pull this apart and push this through it. They really could have improved on the design of this, but it's okay, we will make do for now. Oh yeah, and here also there's like an extra ridge which holds it from properly standing down. So yeah, it's not a great design. Let's try to push this in. There we go. So you finally got it secured, and yeah, so you can easily carry it around like this. Let's take a look at the front of the charging case. Here you have a QR code which if you scan you can view the user guide, which is useful for figuring out how to use these earphones. So let's pop this right off. And here you have the orange plastic case which has a few lines here. And yeah, it's a good finish overall. We really like how sturdy and robust it feels, and it even has the TicPods logo right here. So now we're going to pop these out, and that's how they sit within the case. They look pretty neat. So let's extract the earphones and set them aside for a minute. Here within the case you can see that there's a right and left indicator to tell you which earphone should go where, and there are gold magnetic points right here where you can charge the earphones with, and they also fit in magnetically. So that's it for the unboxing of the TicPods free true wireless earphones.